Hey everyone, have you ever noticed how easy it is to square numbers that end in 5? Today I'm going to show you a quick and simple trick to calculate the square of any number ending in 5 without needing a calculator. So let's get started. Let's take the example of 15. If you wanted to square 15, I've got a super simple trick for you. So let's get started. First we write 15 and we see that the 10 digit is 1. Then we multiply it by the next higher number, which is 2. Okay, so what will we get after multiplying by 2? We get 2. By just simply adding 25 to the end, we get the answer 15 square equal to 225. Okay, and 25 is nothing but simply 5 squared. See how easy that was. Let's take another example, 35. So again we take tens digit and multiply it with next higher number. So what is 3 times 4? We get 12. And we just simply add 25 to the end. So we get our answer, which is 35 square is equal to 1225. Let's try one more just to make sure it sticks. How about 75 squared? Let's take again tens digit, which is 7, multiply it with one next higher number, which is 8. We get 56 and just add 25 to the end. We get 5625, which is square of 75. Now you might be wondering, why does this trick work? Well, here's the math behind it. Let's take general number ending with 5 be n5, where n can be any natural number 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, so we can write n5 as 10 times n plus 5. Okay, like 35 and here be 3. Okay, which is 10 times 3 plus 5. So squaring the n5 means we squaring 10n plus 5. Okay, so squaring it, we get 100n square plus 2 times 10n 5 plus 25. We get 100n square plus 100n plus 25. Taking 100n common, we get 100n n plus 1 plus 25. That's the formula behind it. Okay, this is the 25 we usually add at the end, and this is the n and n plus 1 we multiply it with. Okay, let's take the example of 65. 65 square is nothing but 100 times 6 plus 1 plus 25. Okay, we get 100 into 6 into 7 plus 25, which is 4200 plus 25, which is 4225. Alright, let's recap. To square any number ending in 5, all you need to do is: first, multiply the tens digit by the next higher number. 2. Add 25 to the result. Yes, it's that easy. Try it yourself with the numbers like 55, 95 or even 205. Let me know in the comments if this trick worked for you. Thanks for watching. If you find this trick helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more math tips and tricks. So, see you next time.